Mac Installer Setup Guide. Tips: follow each step carefully. Incorrectly entering the master or provider address may cause processes to fail. Step 1. Download the PKG file. To install the application, download the PKG file from our website. The download link is provided in the instructions. Step 2. Install the application. Open the downloaded PKG file and follow the installation wizard. Once installation is complete, the system will check for the old Docker application and install it if necessary. Step 3. Docker installation. If Docker is not already installed, it will be installed automatically. After Docker installation, proceed to wallet setup. Step 4. Wallet setup. Read and confirm the details about provider and master wallet. This setup will use the import existing method. You may also continue with create new if you prefer. In the opened window, select import existing. Set a wallet password for security. This password will be required every time you log in. Step 5. Import wallet. Using private key. Choose the private key import method. Paste your copied private key into the provided box. Once import is successful, proceed to set up the master address. Step 6. Connect master address. Copy your provider address. Go to the Management DApp website. Link the wallet address you want to use as the master. Click the Add Provider button. Paste your copied provider address and start the provider announcement process. Important: the master address must have at least 10 OGPU and sufficient transaction fees. Otherwise, the process will fail. Step 7. Master announcement. Once the process is complete, copy the master address and return to the application. Paste the master address into the provided box and start the master announcement process. Make sure the wallet balance is above 10 OGPU before starting. Step 8. Activate the application. Press the Inactive button first. After the process completes, you can start using the app. Toggle the app to Active for full functionality. Register your sources in the Management DApp using Active Source Register. The system will automatically load the registered sources by listening to the blockchain. Step 9. Manage sources. To stop running sources, use the Unregister option in the Management DApp. After unregistering, the system will stop the corresponding sources on your system. Manually delete unused source files after unregistering. You are all set. The installation is complete, and your provider app is ready to run seamlessly on your macOS. OpenGPU.network. Empowering AI. Together,